If I could offer you only one tip for the future, sunscreen would be it. The long-term benefits of sunscreen, my dear, proved by scientists, this much is lit. The rest of my advice, a meandering tale. No base is more reliable than my own trail. I will dispense this advice now. Listen close, let your heart allow. Every word a promise, every phrase a guide. Keep these truths with you by your side. Enjoy the power and beauty of your youth, oh, but no, they fade away. In 20 years you'll look back in truth at photos that show your fabulous days. And though you might feel not as you imagine, remember you are more than any fashion. Don't worry about the future, or try like chewing bubblegum. The real troubles come unexpected on Idle Tuesday when the hour is numb. Do one thing each day that scares you, then sing out loud, let your spirit free. Don't be reckless with hearts both yours and theirs too. Tread kindly, for love's a fragile key. I will dispense this advice now. Words from a journey, whispered somehow. Keep your love letters, let old bank statements go. Stretch your limits, let your true self show. Don't feel guilty not knowing your life's plan. The best are those who wander on. Get plenty of calcium, be kind to your knees, for in their absence you'll surely feel the loss. Maybe you'll marry, have children or not. Dance the funky chicken at your final fete. Your choices are half chance, don't dwell on what you got. Celebrate your body, it's your finest asset. Dance in your living room, read directions in a book. Don't be fooled by magazines that leave you feeling shook. Know your parents, be kind to siblings too, for these ties of love are the ones that hold true. Friends may come and go, but keep a precious few near. Bridge gaps of time and place, hold them dear. Live in New York or California, let the city shape your view, then travel far and wide. Let the world renew you. Except that prices will rise and politicians will stray. You too will grow older in a wistful way. Respect your elders, support yourself come what may, for even trust funds and spouses might fade away. Mess not too much with your hair, for time will leave its mark. Be patient with advice, let nostalgia repair the past, recycled like a lark. I will dispense this advice now. Let these words be your guide somehow. And as you